Okay, so we're gonna cook together, okay? All right, that's it then. Can you give me a thumbs up? With a big smile. Okay, so we have 3 ingredients that are before ingredients. And we have to mix all of our before ingredients together. Dump that in. Good job. Can you count these for me?
1.
Yep.
2.
2, that's right. No, not right now. Not right now. Emmy, don't. For real. Don't. Don't. So I'm gonna do the icing, you're gonna do the sprinkles. We can't eat them all. You gotta also do your job. You can't stick your fingers in. Hey, you're starting to not listen. Come on, let's finish this, please.
Can you help me, Mom?
I am helping you. Stop putting your fingers in it.